In this video, you'll learn how to add single and double-digit numbers using Vedic Maths. We'll start with a quick recap of carry and non-carry combinations. For more clarity, check out our basics video on Vedic Maths. A non-carry combination occurs when the result of adding to single digits does not exceed 9, such as 3 plus 4 equals 7. On the other hand, a carry combination happens when the result exceeds 9, such as 6 plus 8 equals 14. Here, 4 is the end number. Let's start with addition of two-digit numbers of non-carry combinations. Adding single-digit and double-digit numbers. Just by observing this first digit, we note down 3. Now let us observe 8 and 5. Whether 8 and 5 form a carry combination or non-carry combination, we must judge immediately 8 and 5 indeed constitute a carry combination. Correct? Whenever the next two digits form a carry combination, meaning the units place or the carry combination, we note down 3. We add 1 and write it as 4. Regardless of the number present here, we simply add 1 when the next two digits form a carry combination, as in the case of 8 and 5. The end number is 3. Thus the answer is 43. No need to write this step always for basic practical understanding. We demonstrate here. We won't spend much time on this step. We emphasize thorough practice of these end numbers. Now let's examine 27 plus 8. In this video, we will focus solely on single-digit and double-digit numbers, as well as double-digit and double-digit numbers. For 27 and 8, initially observe that the next pair forms a carry combination. Therefore, when it is a carry combination, we add 1 and write 3. Here in 7 and 8, we can observe the end number is 5. Thus the answer is 35. Double-digit and double-digit numbers. 53 plus 23. Here 5 plus 2 equals 7 and 3 plus 3 equals 6. Still within single digits. The answer is 76. Now let us explore how to handle carry combinations quickly. Take 38 plus 27. The first two pairs 3 plus 2 equals 5, which we keep in mind. Next 8 and 7 form a carry combination. Mentally add 1 to 5 making it 6 and directly write 6. Remember our end numbers concept. The end number of 8 plus 7 is 5. So the answer is 65. For a quicker approach, consider 58 plus 35. Notice the carry combination in the second pair. So instead of 8, we write 9 directly understanding the addition. Internally, the end number of 8 plus 5 is 3, giving us 93 as the answer. Similarly, for numbers like 58 and 29 where the first pair forms a non-carry combination, mentally note 7 and write 8 because the second pair is carry combination and end number of 8 plus 9 is 7. A carry combination and finally leading to 87 as the answer. Let's take one more example. 57 plus 86. Again, the first pair creates a carry combination, so we note 13 in the mind. The next pair forms another carry combination, so we write 14 directly. The end number of 7 plus 6 is 3, resulting in 143 as the answer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to support more content like this.